Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos. Today we're going to see the HUD features in the Mahindra Born Electrics. The HUD comes in the top spec variants of all the three ESUVs, which are the BE6, the 9S and the 9E. As you can see here, this shows me the heading, whether it can see the lane markings or not. When it can, these lines turn green. My speed, the range and the battery percentage remaining. Now first let's see the ways you can turn the HUD on or off. There's two ways. First, you see on the right of your steering wheel this button. Using this you can turn it off. As you can see, now it's on, and when I press it again, now it's on. Now let's see how do you edit it. So you go here, then you go to vehicle apps, and if you scroll down you see HUD Vision X. So from here you can again turn it off. Now it's off, and turn it on. Then if you come to brightness and position, you can set the adaptive brightness. So I've personally turned it on, but if you turn it off, then you can actually edit the brightness. So if you see, now it's gotten brighter. But I personally keep the adaptive brightness turned on. Next you have auto height adjust, so auto height assist basically. So based upon my height, the HUD will adjust where to show it. So it uses help of this camera right here. Next you can also change the content that you see. I've set navigation to AR. I'll show that to you in a second. I'll put it somewhere in the screen. And you see now it's asking me to turn left. It's pretty clear actually. It's just that at some positions it's blurry. So as you can see that it's asking me to turn left right about here. This is the AR heads up display. It also shows me where to turn at the ETA, the distance in which I have to turn, the distance to destination, etc. This is also super duper useful. Then you can see the POI. So POI actually means point of interest. So for example, chargers or restaurants nearby or any destination that I've set will show up in the HUD as well, such as for example, let's say that my SOC is low, the HUD will start searching for chargers nearby and then show me a pin dropped right somewhere here to let me know that a charger is approaching. And you can see now this is the point of interest. You can see it showing me chargers. So it's showing me that a charger is at 566 meters from my own location. This is the point of interest. Driver assistant, basically this that you can see, all these are driving assist features, whether there's a car ahead, the lane markings, all of this driver assist. If I'm driving on a road that has a speed limit, the speed limit is also written beside my own speed, so I can actually know how fast I can go. Call info and media. So this you see track name. So when I'm playing a song, it shows me the name of the song somewhere right about here. Then range and SOC, for example, if I turn it off, you see it's gone and now it's back. Now if I click on adjust, you see this pops up. Now with this you can move the HUD up or down. So, and you see while you change that thing, when you change that thing, this plus icon appears in the center. So now I'm moving it up and you can see that it's moving up. This is the topmost position, and now I'm moving it down. So auto height adjust basically does this automatically for you, but if it's not doing it correctly, you can also use this. So for me, probably this is the best position. And you can see if I move it here, you can't see it. And there's a sweet spot where it is clear, it's just about right here. And then you also have these buttons. So this actually changes the orientation, like if it's tilted to one side for you. So if I press the right, you can see that it will tilt just a little bit, and with here it actually becomes, so you can see that it is tilting towards one side. So at 0 it is perfectly level. The HUD gets this plastic here, as you can see, and this can interfere with the clarity of your HUD. I actually asked my service center on how to remove it, but he recommended me to keep it on because it protects the HUD from scratches. But as you can see that my HUD is a little blurry over here and even at the edges. I will actually confirm this from a service center and let you know what they recommend. So these are all the things that you can do with the HUD. You can adjust what you see and how much detail you want in it. And then once you're done, so if I want the height to be just 0, because that is what it has automatically set for me, this is how it looks. Little blurry, but again. So then you click confirm. These are all the HUD features explained in just about 5 minutes.